Continuing on, making my plastic gears. I got the mold. It's been sitting for a while. It's dry. That one was for the Tweety, and this one is for a musical box for the cuckoo clocks. The video that I watched, they took some aluminum housing and filed off some of it. I'm going to do the same thing with this metal bar here to give it strength, I guess. So now I'm going to add that to my mixture. The problem is I don't need a lot of mixture to make these two little molds. So I have this mold releasing conditioner that I will spray a couple squirts into it, and then mix me up some solution into a container and let it dry for a couple of days. Trying to get these shavings off this paper. Kind of difficult. So calls for 2 parts. Let's see if I can estimate. I don't want to be wasteful. Says 1-to-1 mixture. I'm sure I'm going to have to do some cleaning afterwards, but here goes nothing. Now let that dry for a couple of days and see what happens. What have I got to lose except for $57 is what I paid for all this material. But if it works, it'd be well worth it.